All the original window and door parts were removed from the doors before the doors were refurbished. This is the driver door window glass and frame, and this is the window for the passenger side. Before I disassembled the glass from the frame, I labeled them for left and right. The glass is a press fit into the frame with glass setting tape holding the glass in the frame. The window frames needed a good cleaning. After they were cleaned, I sprayed them with several coats of paint. The window regulators were also cleaned and painted. The plastic rollers were inspected and lubricated. The windows were reinstalled back into the refurbished frame using new setting tape. It was a necessary tight fit, and during the installation, I was worried that I might break the glass. All turned out well. I attacked the vent or wing windows next. The rubbers on the vent windows had become stiff and cracked. The vent windows were completely disassembled, cleaned, painted, and reassembled with new setting tape. All new rubber parts were included in the rebuild. One of the more difficult portions of the rebuild was drilling out the rivets holding in the division bar and then reinserting new rivets. The parts inside the door are looking good, though no one will ever see them. A new windshield was installed with a new rubber gasket. The same approach was used on the rear glass.